This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
All right, so here's the Geenie camera. One of our viewer asked the question, how do you use the motion detection? You want to turn the light on, or you want the light to turn on when it detects some motion. So there are three things that you have to do. One is you have to enable motion detection. And number two, there's something called a PIR. It's passive infrared. You have to enable that. And also you have to have it in night mode. Okay? So that's basically the camera switches into infrared mode. So you have to have those three things on. So right now the PIR is turned off and we are outside and it's looking at the motion. The camera is detecting the motion, but because the PIR is not turned on, the light is not going to turn on. So we're going to go turn on the PIR, and as soon as we do that, if it detects any motion, it'll immediately turn it on. Okay, now the app is set up. The motion detection is on, and the night mode is on. And as soon as the IR detects the light, I just wave my hand, and the light just turned on. So that's how the light turns on if it detects the motion. But it uses IR to detect it. So that's how this motion detection works in this camera.